Okay, so the model is done. This is what the finished project, or yeah, this is what the finished project should look like. Um, I used the color spray paint ivory silk to get that perfect crystal clear wood color if you don't have wooden decks. Um, I used pink Sharpie to get the funnel color. Um, I used Tamiya paint red, whole red. Used that. I made it red inside here. It's at the anchor well. Here, we have a different, or it might look different, little window hatch here. And what I did is painted it all black, and then I went in lines and went diagonal, then across to get the black little windows like that. And same for down here. Wait, blah, blah, blah. Right here. As you can see, it looks much better with the railings cut off. Also for the anchor or the this oh my gosh, I cannot talk. Cranes right here. I cut off the little hinge part right there. So let's just say this is one of those cranes. This part right here I would cut off. Bronze right here on the real Titanic. Then I used epoxy sculpt to take away the cracks. It turned out very good, and I'm very happy.